This is Sam, and this is Liv. Today, my dad was mowing, and he came across 3 bunnies. We've already named our bunnies. This is Pippi, this is Dora, and this is Jack. The reason we need to put them back in the wild is because they're not domesticated animals, and they could bite you, and they could have a disease. So we have to release them back where they belong. So we need to put these back in the wild because we want everyone to see them. And when we're outside playing, when they are all grown up, we can see them too. And we can enjoy their fluffiness. These are the bunnies right here in the box, and we are going to make a hole in the grass to put them there for you. There's the other. Dun, dun. Goodbye, little creatures. Go on. Go hop to your mommy. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And please comment down below what was your favorite part of the video. Goodbye. Bye.